Guys, this is the review of the Sundown Audio X8. I'm going to show you some Excursion on this subwoofer, which is massive for an 8-inch Sundown Audio X8. If you guys are interested in this item, check this out. Well guys, that's the video of the Sundown Audio X8. If you guys want to like to know the soundtrack, it's called Disney Frozen Let It Go Rebase Bass Test. I guess they bass boosted it, but other than that, this is a really good sub with high excursion. I never put it in the box. I bought it, just been broken it in that day after day. Still kind of stiff, but soon I will get a box from eBay, those custom boxes that are made for a specific sub. Hopefully they work out really good. But if you guys want this sub, it's highly recommended. It's way better than the version 2, even though the version 2 looks like it has better surround, but this is more efficient and will give you more bass. Thank you guys, and that's it. Thank you.